Hi, I'm Henry and I'm going to show you how to do Christmas party makeup. So we're going to start with soft but defined brows, brushing all the hairs into place. So these pencils with these really fine nibs are fantastic for drawing in little individual hairs, giving the impression of thicker brows. So once you've got the structure and the shape lined out for your brow, you can go in and add as much density as you want to, the same steps, until you get the look that you want. So now we've got the shape and the intensity of brow that we want, we can go in with our eyebrow gel, just to fix all the hairs in place and add gloss and shine. So then we're going to take a brown eyeliner and just smudge that into the roots of the lashes. This part doesn't have to be perfect, you're going to use your fingers to smudge this out. You can build the intensity of this look by repeating this process. I'm then going to take a cream eyeshadow stick and just draw that over the lid. Again, this doesn't have to be neat, you're going to smudge it. It's going to be a really kind of lived in eye. So we're going to keep the eye quite simple and pared back. We're going to team it up with a stronger lip, so we want to keep it quite muted and not distracting from that look. When using cream products, it's great to go on top of the powder just to set them. I'm just taking a brown eyeshadow on a little defined brush and packing that on top of where we smudged the brown eyeliner. We're then going to go in with a black mascara, taking off the excess off the brush. It's better to build in thin layers rather than putting it all on at once. So I'm just keeping the mascara on the top lashes, not the bottom, because I want to keep that elongation of the eyes, and the main focus is going to be on the lip. Right, so we're now going to go in with our red lip, applying it to the centre first of all. So we're going into the season for red lips. We've gone for a really bold, strong finish, but you can vary the finish going with a softer, fluffier brush, and that will give you a sheerer appearance. We've kept it really fresh, clean and modern by doing clean, simple skin, nice dewy finish, and then the real statement of this look is that red lip.